When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Wi-Fi broadcasting issues, advanced techniques can help identify and fix more complex problems. Interference from physical objects like walls and metal, or electronic devices like microwaves and baby monitors can disrupt Wi-Fi signals. Access your router settings to change the Wi-Fi channel and minimize interference. If you're using a newer Wi-Fi 7 router, be aware that some older devices may experience disconnection issues. Check your device compatibility and consider adjusting router settings to accommodate older hardware. For persistent issues, a factory reset may be necessary as a last resort. Remember to back up your current settings first, as this will erase all configurations and require complete setup. Looking ahead, Wi-Fi 8 promises ultra-reliable connectivity, essential for the growing number of IoT devices. Upgrading network infrastructure with mGig switches helps prevent bottlenecks and ensures optimal performance. If you still cannot establish internet access after trying these advanced troubleshooting steps, contact your internet service provider. They can check for line connectivity issues, service outages, or modem compatibility problems.